What's going on, YouTube? How's all the beautiful people? Well, look at here. We got a little wind damage here. The neighbor donated this tree branch. So let's set you up. We're going to put this Bauer to work, see what we can do to cut these back and just throw the limbs back over there in the backyard and donate it right back. All right. All right, people. We're going to do a little cutting here and then we'll just go time lapse so you guys can move on to the next great video. Yeah, look at her. Oh, monster. All right, Bellers, I'll time lapse you while we, clean up. Well, you lovely people, thank you so much for joining in on this here little cleanup task. We survived. The Bauer survived. So look at her, Cheetah McQueen. You bet. And like and so, we'll catch you on the next one.